उदका खातीर हेर राज्यांचेर पातयेवन रावचे ना, उदकाची वेवस्था स्वता करतले अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान म्हणलां। इब्रामपूर पुलाचे उक्तावण सुवाळ्यांत तो उलयतालो। पेडणे आनी दिवचल ह्या दोन तालुक्यांक जोडपी इब्रामपूर पुलाचें उक्तावण सभापती राजेंद्र आल्लेकार आनी पर्रीकारान केलें। ह्या वेळार उदका स्रोत मंत्री दयानंद मांद्रेकार, दिवचलचो आमदार नरेश सावळ आनी हेर आशिल्ले। पुलाचेर 1.5 कोटी खर्च जाला।
फुडल्या वर्सा शेतूय उरचें ना आनी उदकूय पिण्याचेर अवलंबून उरचें ना। फुडल्या वर्सा हाची वेवस्था आमी केल्ली आसा। हांगासर पातळेर वचना उसप बिसप गांवांक उदकां घेवपाची ही जी आतांची योजना ती ताका वापरतले इरिगेशनाक आनी 100 MLDची नवी येवजण उदका खातीर आमच्याकडे वापरतले। खरें म्हणजे आमच्याकडे धरणाची आयडिया काडल्या बद्दल गोंयकारांक नोबल प्रायज।
आमच्या उदकाच्या ज्यो गरजो आसा ताच्या खातीर आमी आतां स्वयंपूर्ण जावया। दुसऱ्यांचेर अवलंबून रावपाची आतां आमकां हाचे कडेन गरज पडपाक जायना। अनेक ताका पर्याय आसा, ते ल्हान ल्हान बंधारे बांदप, ल्हान डॅम बांदप आनी कितें वॉटर टेबल आसा ताचे लेवल वाडोवन घेवप, वॉटर मॅनेजमेंट, हार्वेस्टिंग, बंधारे बांदून अशे वेगवेगळे जे पर्याय आसात ते आतां आमी हळूहळू आमच्या भितर अंमलांत हाडून आमी हाचे कडेन उदका खातीर आनी कोणाचेर अवलंबून रावचे ना अशा पद्धतीची परिस्थिती निर्माण करची पडटली।
दक्षिण आफ्रिकेचे फुटबॉल संघटनेन देशाक फुटबॉल मळार फुडें हाडपाचे हेतान एक तंत्रिकी मास्टर प्लॅन तयार केला। हो प्लान फुडल्या 10 वर्सांत दक्षिण आफ्रिकेंत चालीक लायतले। हालींच जाल्ले गोंय आंतरराष्ट्रीय फुटबॉल चर्चासत्रांत दक्षिण आफ्रिकेचो फुटबॉल तज्ञ डॉक्टर रॉबिन पिटरसनान हे मास्टर प्लॅनाची म्हायती दिली।
Technical master plan, when we looked at it and at the implications, when I looked at it as the CEO of the Football Association, we looked at the scope of what we had to do. I realized it was not going to happen unless there was going to be focus and funding. And so I asked in November, I asked my executive committee that we enable us to do this properly. We must set up a separate entity with business partners and government partners and football partners. Our mandate is to ensure the delivery of this technical master plan within the structures of SAFA over the next 10 years. We need firstly to develop and entrench a uniform South African national football philosophy. Every single coach that we've ever had at the national team level complains that there is no consistent style or structure or philosophy of play. And so when the players come into the national team, he has to create that from the beginning. And every new coach we get wants a different style, a different philosophy. So what we want to do, and we've already gone halfway down this route now, is to define a national football philosophy and ensure that that gets entrenched in all of our coaching instructions right the way down to our youth coaching, so that kids are growing up and learning the style and philosophy that we want to play, that best suits the talent and the skills and the natural physique of the players. Secondly, we need to build a rich and, more importantly, a robust talent identification and development pipeline that starts at an under 13 level at local football association, and our goal for this year, end of this year, is to identify our top 1,000 under 13 and under 15 boys and girls. And then of course we need to do this on the backbone of technology. We've signed a cooperation agreement with the German Football Association. We're using the software that they've developed over the last 10 years, which is a full comprehensive, almost like a SAP for football, a fully comprehensive football administration system.
इतल्यान खबरांचे हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।